The statute of limitations in Washington, DC for personal injury claims is 2 years. You miss it, and you may lose your right to compensation forever, no matter how strong your case is. In DC, you have 3 years from the date of your personal injury to file a claim. It sounds like a long time. It's really not, because building a strong case takes time. Gathering medical records, investigating the incident, that process can take months. And many lawyers won't even take your case if the deadline is close. So the sooner you call, the better. The 3-year rule applies to most personal injury cases, car accidents, slip and falls, and other incidents caused by someone's negligence. But some cases have different deadlines. Wrongful death claims carry a 2-year statute of limitations, but the clock starts to run on the date of death, not on the date of the original injury. Medical malpractice claims are generally 3 years as well. There's a limited exception if the injury wasn't immediately discoverable, like when a surgeon leaves something inside a patient's body. In that situation, you may have 1 year from the date you discovered the error, but it's really hard to prove. Another twist on this is that in DC, there are special notice requirements that you must comply with to provide notice to medical providers of a potential claim. Those can also result in your claim being barred. There are a few situations when the deadline can be paused. For example, if the injured person is a minor, the clock doesn't start to run until they turn 18. And if the defendant left the state or concealed their identity to avoid being served, the clock may also be paused until they're located. But these exceptions are rare. Don't count on them. Assume the deadline applies and act now. Missing the deadline doesn't just delay your case, it ends it. The court will dismiss your claim. You will have no legal recourse, no compensation for your medical bills, your lost wages, and your pain and suffering. DC courts take these deadlines seriously, and so do we. If you are injured in Washington, DC, and you're wondering whether you still have time, call us today. Don't wait. Your window may be closing.